Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth Isaac and I'm so excited about today's video. So today I'll be showing you how to insert your contact lenses and also how to remove it. Okay, so here's my contact lens, and this is in the shade of, or in the color, this color is honey, color honey. And here's my solution. This is the solution that I use. Alright, so with contact lenses, whenever I use my contact lens, once it's removed from here, I change the solution. It's very important because of course your eyes must have come in contact, or your lenses, your eyes must come in contact with dust and all, so it's just best that you always change it. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna take it out of the container. Whenever I take it out, before then, make sure your hands are washed, properly washed. So whenever I take it out, I like to flip it a little bit, okay, and then just dab it, or just tap it on the back of my palm like this, and then take it this way, and then I put it this way on my hands. That's it. So I'm going to grab my mirror because I use my mirror, and then I pull this one down and I look up, and when I place it like that, then I just try to look up. So this might hurt, alright? Your eyes might be a little red from the beginning. That's because, of course, you're disturbing your eyes. Okay, so once you fix it this way, just after like 1-2 minutes, your eyes, 1 minute max, your eyes will, that's it. So I'm gonna put on the second one. The eyes might be red, but don't worry. But if it's too much, that means your lenses are dirty, or your hands was not properly washed. So, but this itching or redness should just go like after, by the time you are done, it should be done as well. Okay, I'm going with the second one again. I'm just gonna dab it like I said earlier. And then and then I look down, and that's it. I don't know why this left eye is always very easy for me to fix, but the right eyes, okay. So alright, so that's it. Okay, removing it now. I'll just remove one and fix it back. So here's how I remove it. I pull it down, and I use my hands to pull it down, and then I pick it out, and that's it. That's how I remove it. So I'm gonna put it back again. You can see my eyes, this eye is no longer red, because, so here's it again. Okay, so then, so this is how I insert and remove my contact lenses. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you learned something. Alright, so please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button below and like this video. So see you in my next video. Bye.